you are mostly generated all your five figures in dollars organically, all
Mhm.
organic. So what is the strategy you are using, and how you are able to make this?
Cool. That is the very good question. So many people definitely wanted to know this. So the five figure is just a number, but the thing is, if you really genuinely try to uh, wanted to help in the market, definitely people will come to you. So now current stage, you cannot like today is the 13th of October. This month, literally, you can say I have not really promoted any products. Literally, I have not posted any offer, nothing. But somehow I crossed four figure yesterday itself. The reason I'm currently focusing on only growing my coaching people. So basically, I just launched a for group coaching program because I'm preparing frameworks, preparing slides, lots of. But without even from the reason why I have done lot of one-to-ones. So first, I suggest that if you really wanted to make a mark and do lot of one-to-one calls, I also shared yesterday's one of my group coaching call that when you're starting out, when you do lot of talk with your target audience, you actually know the biggest problem of them. Once you know biggest problem, them you can have definitely have the solution with you. Once you have solution, once you talk to let's suppose 100 people, and that 100 people you will get let's suppose 100 different problems from the market. Maybe some few things will common. Let's take it 50 problem.